Hey guys, Kenny here and welcome back. Kitang-kita nyo naman sa title, today's video is going to be all about skincare. Meron kasi akong sinubukang Korean skincare brand for a couple of weeks and since okay siya sa skin. Sabi ko bakit hindi ko gawa ng video or ng review? And also diba, just in case na naghahanap kayo ng review about this brand, at least meron tayo. We also have a giveaway courtesy of Haruharu and there will be 5 winners. That's why if you want to know how to join and if you want to know the prizes, make sure to watch the video until the end. So ayun guys, if you want to know my thoughts dito sa Korean skincare brand na sinubukan ko, just keep on watching. This brand that I'm talking about is called Haruharu Wonder, by the way, and again, I tested their products for 2 weeks. And also, a little bit of trivia, Haruharu actually means everyday in Korean. And that is actually smart because this product and the rest of the product that I'm going to share, perfect for everyday. So you have to make it short, their goal is for their products to be incorporated sa everyday life nyo. And according to the brand, there are 4 reasons kung bakit wonderful and must try yung product nila. First reason is because 95% of their ingredients are naturally derived. Second is because of their unique fermented formula. And according dito sa kanilang description, distinctive natural fermentation technology yung ginawa nila to increase 4 times of raw ingredients effect. Third is because all of their products and ingredients are skin irritation tested. And lastly, according to their claims, all of their products are free of 7 kinds of paraben and free of 11 harmful ingredients. All of their products also feature ultra deep technology, and aside from that, and also can we talk about the packaging because it's so amazing. I love it. It's very clean, very modern, very minimalist. It's perfect. I am obsessed with the packaging of this one. And just in case you guys are wondering what sets this brand apart compared to other skincare brands, the answer is actually its ingredient. This brand or line from Haruharu Wonder contains fermented ingredients and black rice. Since all of these products contains black rice, they are rich in antioxidants. They also make sure na yung mga ingredients na ginagamit nila are the healthiest superfood ingredients na pwede nyong isama or i-incorporate sa everyday life nyo. This is the first product that I tried from Haruharu Wonder and yung tawag sa kanya is Black Rice Moisture Deep Cleansing Oil. For those of you na hindi pa alam kung ano yung cleansing oil, this is actually another way or product na pwede nyong gamitin to remove your makeup. So basically, it serves like a solvent but for makeup. And as you can see with this one, medyo madami-dami na yung bawas. I've used this, I believe, 5 times already. And I really enjoy using this one, guys. Especially when I have heavy makeup or base. Talaga nakaka-remove siya ng dirt sa face. And this one is unscented, by the way. Kaya perfect siya, especially if you have sensitive na pang-amoy. Again, like I've said, this one is really effective. Even if you have thick base. It instantly dissolves the foundation, the powder, everything. Formula and texture of this one is actually really impressive as well because unlike other cleansing oil, this one is lighter. It is very comfortable and lightweight sa skin. It is not oily at all, kaya it's not messy to use as well. So yeah, overall for me, I really enjoyed using this product. I love this. I highly recommend this one. Definitely and 100% my kind of product. Simple yet effective. Next product that I tried is their toner, and this one is called the Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. And as you can see, I've gone through a lot already because again, like I've said, I have been using these products for 2 weeks now. For those of you who are looking for a toner that is number 1, gentle on the skin, moisturizing and hydrating, kayang mag-remove ng remnants of makeup and dirt sa face, this is the answer. If your skin is in need of intense hydration and soothing, this one, guys, you might want to check out because talaga nakakatulong siya. Very gentle on the skin. I never experienced any redness, any bumps. Basically, it didn't irritate my skin since the very beginning. Such an amazing toner. It makes your skin look plump, healthier, and radiant. Very fresh, very calming, very soothing yung scent niya. And as you can see, the consistency of this one is not super watery or water-like. I really like the consistency of this one, and I feel like it is also one of the reasons why this one is very hydrating and moisturizing sa skin. Anyway, moving on, we have here the Haruharu Wonder Cleansing Gel, and it is called the 5.5 Moisture Soft Cleansing Gel. This is unscented, by the way, and true to its name, very soft and moisturizing on the skin. If you feel like your skin needs more TLC, like for example, you're having a lot of tiny bumps on the face, pimples, acne, all that, and you feel like your skin needs something that is very soft and gentle, can remove dirt and also soothing, you will definitely love this. Although to be honest, for me, this one is just an okay cleanser. I mean, yes, it does the job. I don't know, I just don't find it super special, but again, if you have sensitive or easily irritated skin, you might like this one. So yung next na natin pag-uusapan is yung isa sa mga na-enjoy ko talaga from this brand, and that is this one. Yung tawag sa kanya is Black Rice Rice Hyaluronic Cream. As you can see, the packaging is super nice and I love this. I've been using this non-stop every day because super nice niya. This one as well smells amazing, very calming and soothing, very fresh and perfect for summer. This is how the consistency of the product or cream looks like. As you can see, it's white. And once you rub it onto the skin, as you can see, it looks fantastic. It's not oily. It is not sticky at all. Very, very lightweight as well. And it's easily absorbed by the skin. And this is actually slowly becoming my go-to everyday facial cream right now. In the morning, at night, before applying makeup, this is the facial cream that I use to make sure that my skin is hydrated and moisturized. And what's good about this is that aside from black rice, which is rich in antioxidant, hyaluronic acid, which is very hydrating sa skin, it also contains lavender seed oil, which is yung nakakatulong to soothe skin irritation. Perfect for all skin types as well because it doesn't contain oil. And aside from that, it's not sticky at all, and the moisture that this one gives, it legit lasts the whole day. I really like this one, and also the packaging, it's super cute. This one I'm holding right now is their serum, and it is called the Black Rice Serum. Very simple and direct to the point name, which I love. And same dito sa hyaluronic cream, I actually love this one as well. Reason number one is because it's really effective when it comes to hydrating the skin. Reason number two is because you don't need a lot. One pump of this one is already enough. Number three, it is also not irritating on the skin, very gentle and mild. And lastly, because unlike the hyaluronic cream, this one is more concentrated, which is really great. And also clear nga pala yung kulay niya. This is how it looks like. And since its consistency is very watery, what's good about this is it easily penetrates the skin. It feels really nice on the skin as well, guys. It's very silky to the touch. It doesn't leave any sticky residue, and after just a few rubs, look at that. It is already absorbed by the skin. Again, it is super comfortable on the skin. It's as if you didn't put anything at all. But in a good way ha, because again, nape-penetrate nga agad yung skin, kaya mabilis siyang mag-work sa loob ng skin. Such an amazing product with or without makeup. Actually, pwede nyo nga din gamiting primer to especially if you have normal or dry skin. Just to ensure that your base looks more natural and fresh. I mean, just to make sure na hindi dry and flaky yung makeup nyo. Anyway, so the last product that I tried from Haruharu Wonder is their facial oil. And this one is called the Black Rice Facial Oil. So according to their description, this one is perfect for all skin types, but personally for me, I feel like this one mas okay siya if you have normal or extremely dry skin. Pure na oil kasi siya, and whenever I apply it on my face, I feel like it's a little bit heavy, most especially kapag sobrang init sa labas. But it's still good though. I mean, it does the job. It hydrates the skin. It gives all the moisture that your skin needs for sure. And you don't need a lot. Every time I use this, I only use like 1 to 2 drops. And that actually makes this one perfect because this will definitely last you for a very long time. And also another thing that I really like about this product is that you can also use this in different ways. You can mix it with your essence, serum, or even foundation. If you have extremely dry skin and naghahanap ka ng facial oil na perfect, especially at night, I highly recommend this one because when you wake up in the morning and then humarap ka sa salamin, makikita mo talagang sobrang glowy, sobrang plump, and healthy tignan ng balat. Doon, perfect tong product na to sa mga ganong ganap. So yeah, overall for me, I really enjoyed using these products and I can recommend them. Okay na okay itong mga product na to, especially kung yung hanap nyo nga is yung hydrating, moisturizing, and will give glow sa inyong skin. In terms of kung ano yung nagawa ng product sa skin ko, I feel like tatlo yung nagawa niya. Number one, mas na-moisturize yung aking skin. Second is mas ginawa niyang softer yung skin ko. And lastly, I feel like mas ginawa niyang brighter and also glowy yung aking face. These are my top 3. First on my list is the hyaluronic cream. Second is the hyaluronic toner. And last on my list is the deep cleansing oil. Again, like I've said, we have a giveaway as well courtesy of Haruharu Wonder. First prize is the Black Rice Soft Peeling Gel. This next one is the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner, which I love. We also have the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Serum, and also some cotton pads that you can use to apply all of these skincare. And also stickers. Look at that. So cute. All of the informations, details, links, and mechanics will be listed in the description box as well, so make sure to check it out. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.